Sarah, we need to address the inconsistencies in the medication records for Ward B. The system shows Mr. Harris was given antibiotics at 2 p.m. yesterday, but the paper chart documents 4 p.m. Which one's accurate?
That's concerning, Mihira. The digital entry should override handwritten notes per protocol, but nurses sometimes update paper charts first during busy shifts. Was there an incident?
Not yet, but it's risky. If we rely solely on digital records without cross-checking, we might miss dosage errors. For instance, Mrs. Khan's anticoagulants were logged digitally but never administered. The nurse forgot to sign the paper chart.
That explains her elevated INR. But if we enforce double documentation, staff will complain about duplication. The real issue is training. Some still treat digital logs as secondary.
Exactly. Until everyone transitions fully, we must reconcile both daily. Prioritize verifying high-risk meds like insulin and warfarin. The audit next week will focus on this.
Understood, Mihira. I'll brief the team today about mandatory real-time digital entries, with paper as backup only during system outages. I understand that being asked to monitor your blood pressure at home might feel like a significant responsibility, Mihira, but please know that this is a vital step in taking control of your long-term health. To ensure we have the most accurate picture of your heart health, it is important to follow a consistent routine over the next week. I would like you to take your readings twice every day, once in the morning and once in the evening, ideally at the same time each day. Before you begin, please sit quietly and relax for 5 minutes, ensuring your arm is well supported at the level of your heart. Consistency is the most important factor here, so please document each reading carefully in a diary or a dedicated logbook. Having a full week of these measurements will allow your doctor to see the patterns in your blood pressure rather than just a single moment in time. If at any point during this week you feel uneasy or have concerns about a specific reading, please do not hesitate to contact your doctor immediately. We are here to support you through this process, and your careful attention to these details will make a real difference in your care.